Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Chapter 11 Dawn of Islam, yaitu permulaan Islam. The Prophet Muhammad had been spreading the religion of Islam quietly for 3 years when Allah commanded him to declare it to the people publicly. Allah also instructed him to start with his own household, thus within his own family. Thus among the idolaters could be ignored if they would not respond to his call. Muhammad telah menyebarkan agama Islam. Nabi Muhammad telah menyebarkan agama Islam secara diam-diam selama 3 tahun. Ketika Allah memerintahnya untuk menyatakan agama Islam kepada umat manusia, Allah juga memerintahnya untuk mulai dengan rumah tangganya dalam keluarganya sendiri. Di antara itu, orang-orang musyrik dapat mengabaikan jika mereka tidak dapat menanggapi panggilannya. Muhammad understood his order and went into retirement in his house for a few days. He thought very hard about what he had to do, trying to draw up a plan for the best way to approach his people and call upon them to accept the religion of Islam. Muhammad mengerti perintah-perintahnya dengan pergi mengasingkan diri di dalam rumahnya selama beberapa hari. Beliau berpikir sangat keras tentang apa yang harus beliau lakukan, mencoba untuk jalan terbaik untuk mendekati umatnya dan memanggil mereka untuk menerima agama Islam. The news of Muhammad's retirement reached of some of his own or relatives. They became worried that he might not be well. They decided to go and pay him a visit. When they got to his house, they asked him about his health and told him how worried the end had been about him. Kabar pengasingan diri Muhammad sampai kepada bibinya dan kerabatnya. Mereka menjadi khawatir bahwa beliau tidak baik. Mereka memutuskan untuk pergi dan mengasingkan beliau dan mengunjungi beliau. Ketika mereka sampai di rumah beliau, mereka bertanya tentang kesehatannya dan menceritakan bagaimana mereka telah mengkhawatirkannya. Muhammad answered, there is nothing the matter with me. Allah has ordered me to introduce Islam to my family and household, so I have to sit down and think about the best way to do this. I had to collect my thoughts and ideas before I could speak to any of you. Muhammad menjawab, tidak ada masalah dengan diriku. Allah telah memerintahkanku untuk memperkenalkan Islam kepada keluarga dan rumah tanggaku. Jadi saya harus berpikir tentang cara terbaik untuk melakukan ini. Saya harus mengumpulkan pikiran dan ide-ide sebelum saya berdakwah dari salah satu kalian. Muhammad then went and invited all the members of his family to dinner in his house. He invited all his uncle and his aunt, all his consis and niece and all their children. All of Muhammad's relatives were invited, including even his stubborn and difficult uncle Abdul Uzza. Muhammad kemudian pergi dan mengundang semua anggota keluarganya dan makan malam di rumahnya. Dia mengundang semua paman-pamannya dan bibinya, semua sepupunya dan keponakannya, semua anak-anak mereka. Muhammad mengundang semua kerabat, bahkan termasuk pamannya yang keras kepala dan sulit, yaitu Abdul Uzza. Then Muhammad began to deliver his message to his family. He explained the new ideas he had received from God and warned them about what will happen to those who chose not to follow him. Kemudian Muhammad mulai menyampaikan risalah kepada keluarganya. Beliau menjelaskan ajaran-ajaran baru yang beliau telah terima dari Allah dan memperingatkan mereka tentang apa yang terjadi kepada mereka yang memilih untuk tidak mengikutinya.